Hey guys, so I finally took the plunge and decided to get some of my pictures done on MixTiles. I've been kind of researching, looking at reviews, and they're not super cheap, so I wasn't sure if I really wanted to invest, but curiosity got the better of me. So I decided during Mother's Day when they had their special that I would order some just to see how they worked on our walls, because they're supposed to be completely repositionable and removable, and with some sticky thing on the back so that it doesn't mess up your walls and you don't have to put nails in your walls. So we're about to open our box. We haven't opened it yet. See what they look like. Look at the light so you can see it. You ready?
Yeah.
I ordered, they had a deal on an extra plaque that also is removable. So I got this one.
Aw, that's cool.
And it's like foam and I don't know, some kind of plastic. And so these, I guess you remove these and then you can position it on your wall. So these are the pictures. They come in different layers, so they're not on each other, but I got the black frames. And they have the same sticky on the back.
Oh, wow.
Aw, look at Libby. I'm actually sort of impressed. Their quality is pretty good for being literally pictures that I took off of my cell phone.
I know those too. Wow, we got a lot.
12 of them. Oh, this is our marriage license. You can't really see it. It's super bright. That picture's just slightly blurry, but the rest of them turned out really good. I'm pretty impressed. So I guess we will come back when we're hanging them on the wall and let you guys know how it works.
Oh, they're so cute.
Okay, so we arranged our pictures ahead of time, how we want to put them up on the wall. You can rearrange them later. They're supposed to come right back off the wall. And we're getting ready to hang this one. And we decided to put it above the picture of the two of us. So each one of these pictures comes with a strip on the back that's sticky. And it's supposed to be repositionable. So after much debate of how we were going to hang these tiles,
But if it's not, we can always move them. So, and that's all there is to it. What do you think? Okay. Are you sure?
Alright, we'll come back after we have a few more on. So we've got half of them up. And it's hard to decide on pattern or design. Didn't work out the way I wanted it at first. It just didn't look right. So this is what we went with. So we'll come back and we have the other half. Okay, so we got them all up and they're fairly even. We weren't fighting with them anymore. They're actually really easy to put up. We just needed a better measuring tool. And the center photo, the canvas, it's not stuck in place, so when we were trying to measure off of it, it was not sitting still. But I think they look pretty good.
Hey.
I like them. They were easy to put up, they were easy to move and reposition, and so far so good. MixTiles gets 5 stars.
Until next time. Armpits out of the... Till next time, keep snapping them photos and be good to one another.